My name is Brian Kenny. I'm the owner here at Silverskin Coffee Roasters in Dublin. I've been involved in coffee since 1996. We're delighted to launch Ireland's first cold brew, which is truly brewed under cold conditions. I suppose the first question is, what is cold brew? Cold brew is a completely different category. It's not hot coffee or coffee which is traditionally brewed under hot temperature, cooled down or with ice added to it. True cold brew is brewed under refrigerated conditions. We decided to install a brew house in the roastery. Something completely new and alien to us is brewing coffee with cold water under 4 degrees for a longer period of time. We're making specialty coffee more accessible in more places for more people. Although coffee traditionally is consumed, hot coffee in the morning time, cold brew can and is consumed around lunchtime and even later on in the evenings. We installed a water tank, a brewing tank and a nitro tank. The first step is getting water into the building and we're used to dealing with coffee and gas but not water. The process involves taking water, passing it through a glycol chiller, passing it then through a filter into our water tank which acts as a reservoir. The water is then passed through to our brewing tank. Inside the brew tank we have a rotating arm which is similar to a cooling tray in a coffee roaster. The coffee is brewed under a cold temperature in this brewing tank for 10 to 12 hours. Then it's transported through our frame filter. The coffee is passed through the false bottom of the brewing tank along to our nitrogen tank where it sits in nitrogen. It's passed then to our wild goose canning machine where we can it. This is Ireland's first cold brew coffee which is produced here in Dublin. So we're delighted to launch 3 new exciting products in the cold brew range. There's Cold Brew True, which is truly brewed under cold conditions, Cold Brew Nitro, which is brewed under nitrogen, and an oat milk nitro.
The thinking behind the look and feel was to challenge some of the conventions in this space, create something bold, loud and distinct. Brian from Silverskin was such an amazing support throughout the project. He gave me complete creative freedom to challenge these conventions and to create a lot of cool stuff. So we're both really proud of the work that we've done and we're really excited to see it out in the world.
To find out more about this exciting new product, you can visit our website.